people denied me, when they rejected me, Daddy, oh Lord, you accepted me. Where I am not qualified, Father, you qualified me. Before I was nothing, but Lord, you have made me something. Those that ask me, who are you? Father, you have shown them who I am. When you turn the captivity upside down, they realize those are dreams. I am still surprised, oh, how this God remember me. I am still surprised, oh, how this God visited me. Imagine me today, it is a different story. Those that know me before, they cannot know me again, oh. Who could believe in this life, that something good will come from me? Who could believe in this life, that I will later make it? The downfall of a man is not the end of his life, oh. This God has lifted me higher, oh, will not let me down. He has lifted me
From grass to grace,
He has lifted you,
from sorrow to joy,
He has lifted us,
from zero to hero. He will not let me down.
He has lifted me,
From grass to grace,
He has lifted you,
from sorrow to joy,
He has lifted us.
from zero to hero. He will not let me down.
That God that lifted my life up, hey, He will not let me down. He that lifted my life up, oh, will never let me down. I am not seated with the Lord in the heavenly places. I am not seated with the Most High in the heavenly places. Are you downcasted? This same God will visit you. Are you in poverty, or in suffering, or in hardship? People are insulting you, calling you good for nothing, man. If you come to your family, everybody is against you. That God that lifted Joseph from pit to palace, that same God will lift you, and no power can bring you down. Enemies of progress, powers of darkness, witches and wizards, powers in your father's house can never bring you down. You are seated with the Lord in the heavenly places, far above reproach, far above poverty. When people are casting down, brother, you shall be lifting up. Forward ever, backward never in your life. He that is above me is above them all. As you can see today, level are changing my life. Power are changing, oh, in my life. Hey, power are changing in your business. The day I met Jesus, my story changed, oh. Imagine the house there before is now madam. Even a servant has become oga. Look at the house boy, yeah. He's now a manager, yeah. Oh, the young shall grow. It is not your fault. Jesus not man before. He's one of the VIP, very important personality. Hey, now so life will be, yeah. This God that lifted me higher, oh, will not bring me down. He's taking me from glory to glory. He's taking me from honor to honor. He's taking you from success to success.